Whilst without rules may have been different, those missed by the shoulder cotton, on Glenwood Cotton fear and present.
Mama sat by the evening tide, shells in hand, tears she tried to hide. She spoke to winds that knew her name, telling stories wrapped in flame. The sun was low, the light turned gold, the voice of memory, soft and old. Whispers by the shore, they call to you were waiting with a quiet smile, eyes like the sea, calm and wild. I had no map, just restless feet. You made every lost part meet, and the shade wrapped around us like a song, a place where broken hearts belong. Under the breadfruit tree I found you near. No need for words, your silence clear. The world stood still, the sun bowed low, and in your arms I let it go. Seasons pass, but the tree still stands, like the promise in your hands. Through storm and fire, through salt and rain, you stayed and held me through the strain. And every time I lose my way, your love still points me home to stay. Under the breadfruit tree I found you near. No need for words, your silence clear. The world stood still, the sun bowed low, and in your arms I let it go.
shakers, distance. Cheers, please poppin'.
Bare feet circle a burning flame, moving to a beat without a name. Grandma hums, the young ones spin, even the sky starts dancing in. No wires, no stage, just moon and skin. The night begins where hearts begin. Firelight riddim, jump and sway. Drum beat carry the night away. Smoke in our hair, joy in our feet. We find our truth in every beat. Cups of sorrow, voices loud. Every soul becomes the crowd. No invitation, no demand, just rhythm rising from the land. Ash to sky and drum to bone. This fire makes us feel at home. Firelight riddim, jump and sway. Drum beat carry the night away. Smoke in our hair, joy in our feet. We find our truth in every beat. Who light the flame? We did, we burn. Who hold the groove every time? Firelight riddim, fierce and wild. The rhythm's child, the island's child. We move, we laugh, we heal, we play, and drum the night until it fades. Hey!
Syncopated rhythm, tight basslines, dub filter. They burn the books and flood the mic, change the laws to steal the right, but we still speak through blood and wire. When they hush the voice, we speak in fire. You can erase what roots contain. We
tension hums. Beneath the roots, beneath the clay, their voices still don't fade away. We step on songs with every stride. The mountain keeps them deep inside. Their hands build paths now overgrown, but every rock still feels like home. Bones of the mountain, strong and wise, they rise in trees, they fall as cries. We sing their names in every tone. We never walk this land alone. The wind still carries what they pray. The soil remembers how they stay. They called for light, they stood through pain, and blessed us with their blood like rain. Their stories live in drum and stone. Their hearts still beat beneath our own. Bones of the mountain, strong and wise, they rise in trees, they fall as cries. We sing their names in every tone. We never walk this land alone.
This ground ain't silent, it speaks if you listen.
Bones of the mountain call us near, through storms, through joy, through every year. With every breath, their truth is shown. We never walk this land alone. Bones of the mountain, strong and wise, they rise in trees, they fall as cries. We sing their names in every tone. We never walk this land alone. We never walk this land alone. We never walk this land alone.
Sound system blaze in midnight air, wires stretch from pole to stair. Box them speaker, bass run deep. No time for rest, no time for sleep. Vinyl spin with steady hand, finger guide the roots them chant. Crowd a sway in dirty shoes, my DJ drop the rebel news. The sound boy don't sleep, don't fade. He build a fire Babylon afraid, with echo box and looping beats. He make the concrete feel the heat. Light flicker from a stolen line, but still the sound come clean divine. Select a signal, crowd go wild. In every drop, me feel me child. No jacket, no chain, just vibes. Power from the struggle that survives. Baseline talk, me ears get blessed. In every track, my soul confess. The sound boy don't rest, don't stop. He carry rhythm to the hilltop. In a zinc shack or alleyway, he pushed the dark of night away. We chant until the speaker burn, until the
and he still spins till morning light. Sound boy don't sleep, don't fade. He built a fire, Babylon afraid, with echo box and looping beat. He make the concrete feel the heat. Light flicker from a stolen line, but still the sound come clean divine. Select the signal, crowd go wild. In every drop, I feel my child. No jacket, no chain, just vibes. Power from the struggle that survives. Bassline talk, my ears get blessed. In every track, my soul confess. The sound boy don't rest, don't stop. He carry rhythm to the hilltop. In a zinc shack or alleyway, he pushed the dark of night away. We chant until the speaker burn, until the elders twist and turn. This sound is church and joy and fight, and he still spins till morning light. Chain, we got coconut and no shame. Rhythm beat from battered phone, but every pulse feel like my own. Them laugh, them points send me too loud. My voice rise higher than the crowd. My pants torn, me hair no neat, but truth march with me in the heat. Me rebel with a coconut, crack my message open in a strut. Me no bow to suit and tie, my rise when system tell me lie. Me don't sip from foreign cup, my roots go deep, my chin held up. The market lady call my name, say sing for we forget the shame. Police pass, I'm a don't run, my chant my words like loaded gun. My freedom sweet like cane so raw, my justice dance on every floor. But me chest held right. When night come down and voices hush, my fire still burn in the bush. Tomorrow come, arise again with coconut and truth for friend. Open in our strut, and about to suit and tie. My rise when system tell me lie. But don't sip from foreign cup. My roots go deep, my chin held up. The market lady call my name. Says sing for we forget the shame. Fully rebel with that barefoot grin, with rhythm stitched beneath my skin. Don't need thrown off flashing light, just rhythm and the chest held right. When I come down and voices hush, my fire still burn in the bush. Tomorrow come and rise again with coconut and truth for friend. May rebel with a coconut, crack my message open in our strut. Been about to suit and tie. My rise when system tell me lie. They don't sip from foreign cup. My roots go deep, my chin held up. The market lady call my name. Says sing for we forget the shame.
The sky still weeps, the ground still shakes, but hearts don't break, they just remake. We've walked through fire, lost some light, still holding hand at end of night. If we got rhythm, if we got song, then love will help us carry on. We'll be alright, just take it slow. Let kindness be the seed we grow. Storms may come, but still we fight. Together now we'll be alright. The youngest voice, the elder hand, the open door, the promised land. Not built of gold, not built in might, just people shine in through the night. We sing the pain, we sing the grace, and find our healing in this place. We'll be alright, just take it slow. Let kindness be the seed we grow. Storms may come, but still we fight. Together now we'll be alright. What we need, love and light. What we give, hope tonight. We'll be alright, come hold me near. The song is strong, the path is clear. No matter dark, we'll find the light. Together always we'll be alright.
Steady heartbeat, drums of male and female nature. lost our way in Babylon, forgot the songs we leaned upon, but still the beat leaves on the ground, calling us with sacred sound. It ain't the map, it ain't the road, it's rhythm deep inside your soul. No need for words, no need for flame. The pulse alone will speak your name. When cities fall and towers bend, the heartbeat still will never end. Close your eyes and